Hey everyone, Sierra here with Magee Insurance. I just wanted to put a quick video together today and talk to you about transportation expense. Most of us know that as rental reimbursement. It's the coverage that puts you into a rental car after you've had a covered loss on your automobile policy. And, most policies are going to default to their minimum limit of coverage for rental reimbursement. That's going to vary by carrier, but examples would be, $600 per claim, 750. Some policies even default to around $1,000. In the past, that worked for most consumers. You had a minor fender bender and you went out and reserved a rental car at approximately $40 a day, and your car went into the shop and was returned to you within a couple weeks. Unfortunately, that has all changed, and COVID had a lot to do with it. At the height of COVID in 2020, a lot of rental car companies sold off their fleets. And then in 2021, production of new cars were down, and we all know that the cost to go out and purchase used vehicles today is much greater. And so as a result, that has impacted the rental car market and the cost to rent a car. I was reading a statistic recently from Kayak that the average daily rate for a rental car in 2021 was up by over $35 per day. So they were projecting about $81 a day to rent a car. Now, obviously, there's multiple factors in that. Are you renting a van or an SUV or a small sedan? But the fact of the matter is that it is more costly today on a daily basis to rent a vehicle than it was 12, 24 months ago. So that eats into your coverage and it puts you in a position where you exhaust it much sooner. The other issue that we're experiencing are supply chain issues. So parts that these body shops are needing to order to repair your vehicle are taking longer to source and locate and have delivered to the shop so that they can do your repairs. It's not uncommon these days for me to talk to a client and hear that they had an accident over the weekend and they've called multiple body shops and they're looking at 3 to 4 weeks before they can even get their vehicle in for repairs. So as you can see, we have a lot of challenges here, and it's causing problems for consumers and for even our clients. And what we're doing is we're encouraging all of our clients to consider increasing their rental reimbursement limit or rental car coverage limit. So if your policy today, currently has you at the minimum of $1,000, we would like to see you carry our higher limit. We can look at 1,500, 2,200. Now, please bear in mind, this is all carrier specific. Each company is going to have limitations as to how high they're willing to go. But my suggestion is let's max out and go with the highest limit available. And that's going to protect you, and it's going to make sure that you can stay in your rental car longer and hopefully not be in a situation where you're without a car altogether because you have exhausted your rental car coverage and the vehicle is still in the shop pending repairs. I just wanted to share a couple statistics. I had brought it up, earlier here, but I just want to reiterate it. I reached out to, a couple body shops, and this is the feedback that we're getting. One particular shop said, at this point, we are booked and we're booked beyond measure, but we are keeping up with those things and we're scheduling them out. Another body shop says repair times are doubling because of the part shortages and delays. So again, a repair that might have taken 14 days several years ago is taking 30 days or more today. And then in addition to that, we have the technology of newer vehicles. Every new fleet that comes out, it seems that they've added another layer of technology. It's nice. It's protecting us. It's, protecting you on the road. But if you have an accident and those cameras and other form of electronics all need to be repaired, not only is it more costly, but there's more time involved in getting and securing those repairs. With respect to rental cars, the average cost in 2021 per day for a rental car was $81 per day. And like I said, according to Kayak, prices to rent a car in the US hit record highs at the end of 2021. And it doesn't look like 2022 will provide a lot of relief after a big sell-off of rental car fleets. In 2022, the rental agencies have been slow to increase the size of their fleets because new car production dramatically slowed down in 2021. So here's one number to note. According to travel website Kayak, the average daily rental price in December 2019 was $46. In December 2021, it was $81. So again, we're all feeling these changes on so many levels, and we just wanted to put this video together for you guys and explain and educate you about what we're seeing in the marketplace, and encourage you to call us, email us. You can go on our client portal. We are happy to quote higher rental car coverage for you. And to be honest with you, we are not, looking at a substantial increase to potentially double your coverage. So it's there for you in the event of an accident. So again, any questions, or if you just want to inquire the impact on your policy to secure this higher coverage, please consider reaching out to us and letting us go through those scenarios with you. Thank you.